Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, and good morning. And so I would say, hey family, welcome back to the Family Reset Daily Steps to Strength and Unity. And we're on day 17, the power of accountability. Right, so today let's talk about something that keeps families strong and relationships honest. It's accountability. And when we think about accountability, it isn't about blame, it's about growth. When we take responsibility for our actions, we build trust and respect in our home. Proverbs 27:17 says, as iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another. True family love means holding each other to a higher standard, not with judgment, but with encouragement. That encouragement is super important. So today I challenge you to take responsibility for one thing, whether it's an unkept promise, a harsh word, or a mistake. Own it, apologize, and if needed, and commit to doing better. And if someone is in your family holds you accountable, receive it with grace. Strong families don't avoid hard conversations, they embrace them with love. So let's reset by creating a home where accountability is welcome, not feared. See you tomorrow for another step towards strength and unity. And just remember, accountability is doing what you said you were going to do, and then allowing somebody else to say and call you on it and said, you said you were going to do that and you didn't. All right, have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow.